Hello, my name is Kinjal Chaudhary, and as we were continuing our data definition language, so today we'll start the practical implementation of the codes, right? So all of you open your SQL Plus, and I hope you have done your installation very well. And still, if anybody have any doubt regarding the installation, please let me know in the comment section. So let's start. We'll first do the create, then rename, then alter, then truncate, then drop. Okay, yeah. So let's start. First, we'll come to the first DDL statement, which is create, right? So we'll create a table. So see the syntax here. Create table. I'll create a table product which has column PID, okay, and I'll give a data type of char with precision 4, okay. Now product name column with varchar 2, and I have to give a size, right, 20. Now third column would be, I'll keep a quantity. And here int I have used as a data type, okay. Number also you can use, but for time being just int I have used. And I'll give a constraint also, check, okay. And with the condition that quantity should be greater than 0, okay. Now coming to our fourth column, which is price. With int only, I'll give data type int, and constraint as a null. So there is no constraint as a null, but when you create a table, it will definitely just create all. If you're not giving a constraint as not null, so it will all the columns will allow your null value, as you can see in DESC product, okay. Now can you see DSC product means it will give you the description of your table, like what all columns you can have null. As you can see, in all the columns you can have null value because we haven't assigned a constraint here. Now coming to the second statement, which is a rename. Let's rename this product table now. So what is the syntax? Rename product to new table name, which is pro I have given. Let's see the description of product now. It will throw you an error that product doesn't not exist. Now you are DSC Pro, so it will give you a result because we have changed the name of the product to Pro, right? Now coming to the third DDL statement, which is alter. Now what alter will do? It will modify the existing database object, okay. The first thing what we'll do is we'll add a column. So we'll go according to the presentation what we have learned, right? So the first thing is to add a column. So let's add a column, okay. Alter table name will be common in all the alter statements, right? So add. Now what do you want to add? A new column, right? So I will add a new column discount with the data type or int only I have given here, okay. Now I'll give a constraint not null, okay. Let's see. So it says table altered. Now let's check using description pro. Yeah, now we have a column discount with not null and type number 38. So int will directly convert into a number data type along with the precision of 38. Remember, number can only have maximum precision of 38. Okay, now coming to drop a column. So same syntax, alter table, table name, drop. What do you want to drop? A column, right? Which column I drop here? Discount column. So it says table altered. Let's see a description here. Yeah, now I don't have a discount column. Now next thing is rename a column, right? So how to rename a column here? So we'll similarly alter table name, rename. What do you want to rename? A column. Which column? Which column we will rename here? Let's rename quantity to QTY. Okay, so let's execute. Yeah, table altered. Now see description pro. Yeah, quantity is changed into QTY. Now alter. Now I'll alter a data type. Okay, so alter table pro, modify. Okay, so I'll modify now. Which column? Let's change price column data type. Okay, let's change price column data type. So I'll change wait, yeah, price number I'm changing to 4. Let it be 10. Okay, yeah, let's execute. So it says table altered. Yeah, now see a description pro. Yeah, can you see 38 is changed to 10 in price column data type. Now we will modify null to not null column or vice versa. Okay, so alter table pro, modify. Which column we want to modify here? Let's say p name. Okay, so you have to write column name, okay, along with the existing data type, which is varchar 220. Okay, so you have to write varchar 20. Okay, so as you can see, it's all the columns accepts the null value, so I'm changing it to not null constraint. Yeah, now let's check it. DSC pro. Yeah, can you see? Now let's do the vice versa. Now let's change the p name, modify the p name constraint to null. So the p name will accept the null value. Modify p name, again the existing data type, varchar 220 to null. Okay, execute it. Now see a description. Yeah, right. Now coming to our fourth thing, truncate. So what truncate will do? It will remove all the data from the table, but structure will be remain same, right? It retains that structure of the table. So for that we need a DML command. Whenever we want to insert a record into a table, we need a DML, data manipulation language. So insert is one of the data manipulation language. So I'll use a insert here, right? For char, we always need to give in single quotes, right? To insert in varchar also you need a single quote value. Now for quantity, number it is, so no need of single quote. For price also it's number, so no need of single quote, right? So we insert, let's execute. It says one row created. Okay, and first to see how many records we have in a table, we'll do a DQL, data query language, which is a select statement. So select star will give you all the records which you have in a table. So select star from your table name, right? So your table name is pro. When I'll execute this statement, you'll get the records which we have inserted in a table format, in a row and a column wise, right? You have one row and you have 4 columns. Now you have to do a transaction complete also. Transaction complete language you have to use. So commit is one of the transaction TCL, transaction complete language. Okay, so later on I'll make you understand what all these things. Let's come to truncate. So you have truncated a table. Now you do a select statement here. So no row select. Why? Because when you do a truncate, your all records are deleted, but you'll have a structure. So let's see it. And now let's do a drop. Okay, coming to the fifth statement, drop. So drop table pro. Now table is dropped. Now if you do a DSC pro, it will say pro does not exist, right? Now you'll do a flashback table, right? This is a syntax, right? Flashback table name to before drop. Now if you do this and now you do a DSC pro, you'll get your table back. Okay, now do a purge table pro. It will throw you an error. Why? Because there's no object in your recycle bin, right? Now again you do a drop and do a purge. Your table will be gone, and you can't do a flashback, because to do a flashback also your object should be in recycle bin. Okay, now when you do a flashback here, it will throw you an error because there is no object in the recycle bin. So for purge also the object should be in a recycle bin, and for flashback also your object should be in recycle bin. Now you do a DSC pro. What is say? The object pro, which is your table, does not exist, right? Yeah. So whenever you do a drop and after that you do a flashback, you complete.
Lastly, I was saying that when you do a truncate, so your structure will be retained and all the records will be gone. And once you do a truncate, you can't get your records back, right? This thing keep in mind, okay? And when you do a drop, your complete table along with the structure is gone, okay? So when you do a flashback on that table, you'll get all the records along with the table structure, okay? So this is the difference between truncate and drop. Once you do a truncate, your all records will be gone and it can't be retrieved. And once you do a drop, it can be retrieved using a flashback along with all the records. Okay, so yeah, I hope you understand this video very well, and if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the commands, writing commands and SQL statements.